everybody and welcome to Them Fast, the YouTube channel where you can find out everything related to 0 to 100s, POVs, and today we have a review. My name is Robin and I will take you through this Volkswagen Polo GTI. So here we are at the headlights. It are really nice headlights. So this car is specced with a lot of stuff. So we have here some carbon. So here we have the front splitter. It's a Maxton design and it has some other details here from carbon. Here we have the GTI badge in the same colors as the wrap of this car. So here we are at the back of this car. We have a sporty spoiler, finish this car up. And here we are at the back of the car. It has a really nice diffuser. And underneath the car, we have some LED lights. It's all around the car, so at the front, at the sides, and also in the back. It's red, so it matches the car. This car has a really nice wrap. It is gray, red, white and black. And it's from an Audi Q8. Here's a picture of it. And I think they have done a really great job with that. Also the front is fully protected with PPF protection, and yeah, he takes really good care of his car. So here we are at the inside of the car. We have the steering wheel, all the accents and some really nice features. This is an illuminated headliner. It's really cool. Some lights dim and some lights stay on and some lights seem to glitter. And here we have the GTI logo also with the awesome lights. And these are the really nice GTI seats. And this is the really nice steering wheel. You saw some lights, it's really amazing, and you will see the revving in this LED bar. It's also carbon on the top end and on the bottom. And here we have some custom shift pedals.
Okay guys, I'm gonna tell you some more about the engine of this car because I can. This is the engine of the Polo GTI. So it is a 2-liter turbocharged engine. This actually has the turbocharger of a Golf R, and it's a 2-liter engine, 4-cylinder. Right now it has a stage 3 tune with 345 brake horsepower and almost 500 Newton meters of torque. Combined with the DSG transmission with launch control, this thing really is fast. So these are the winter tires of the Polo GTI. These are 18-inch winter tires, including your rim protection with an allocated system. So that is pretty nice. So guys, this car actually has a custom exhaust system. So this is the normal muffler, but it has a bypass valve with a key. So that is pretty nice. So let's hear the sound of this crazy Polo GTI. So this is the sound of the Polo GTI. And as you can hear, it's pretty loud. And actually in here, in the carbon fiber steering wheel, we have a LED indicator that indicates how much RPM you're having with your engine. Oh. So in here we have a LED indicator that gives you the RPM, and also an indicator for when it's time to change gears. So look at this. How cool is that? Guys, this was it for today. This was the short review of this Polo GTI. This guy really put a lot of effort in his car and it's really damn fast. So guys, thanks for watching and see you guys next video. Ciao!